Hi.
Welcome to the team. So what is your day-to-day job this year? What do you do every day?
My main job here is assistant coach to Coach Rav. I also help Connor and Peter with some management stuff with the team. I'm trying to just help the organization grow. Of course, we have some real challenges this year. Smaller rotation with the players. We hope that our local Vietnamese players will really give us some good minutes, and for sure it's going to be a big challenge, but we think that we have a great group of guys with really good chemistry, and I think there's something that's going to be exciting to this team this year.
So the injuries affected us last year a lot, and we had a losing streak because of a lot of injuries. What is your plan to limit the number of injuries this year?
Well, that's some of my area of responsibility for sure. We're going to try with the injuries this year. We're going to try to have better pre-game warm-ups, better post-game warm-ups, working on our medical structure. We already have an outstanding S&C guy in Gary Zuko, who's not here at this moment, but he will be. We also try to do some more massaging with the players. So really a big holistic type approach. And also crossing our fingers to make sure that we have a little bit of luck, because that's also what needed as well.